How to sew. Thread the yarn tail from piece A onto your needle. Locate your correct insertion point on piece B, as specified in your pattern. For this tutorial sewing a tail onto a kitten amigurumi, the insertion point is at the bottom center of the kitten's back. Insert the needle into piece B at your marked insertion point. Pull the yarn tail all the way through piece B. Insert the needle with the yarn fully through the top loops of piece A. Insert the needle into the next stitch hole on piece B, directly below the edge of piece A. Pull the yarn tail all the way through piece B. Repeat the previous steps until the entire edge of piece A is securely sewn onto piece B. Weave the remaining yarn tail securely into the inside of the amigurumi to hide it. Trim any extra yarn to finish it. Sewing complete. The whip stitch is an essential crochet technique that is used to sew two pieces together. Now, let's make it. Place two pieces together, wrong side facing each other. Align stitches perfectly, top V-loops to top V-loops. Thread yarn tail onto your needle. Insert through the first matching stitches on both pieces from front to back. Insert through the next set of matching stitches from front to back. Remember to pull tight after every whip stitch. Repeat along the full seam until you've whip stitched together all the top loops. Weave yarn tail in and out through 4-6 stitches on the wrong side of your work. Change directions and weave back through 3-4 stitches to lock the tail securely. Trim any extra yarn to finish it. Sewing complete.